Hi, I'm Dr. Neda Nafei with 30 years of experience as a chiropractor in USA and United Arab Emirates. What do chiropractors actually do? We help improve patients with musculoskeletal mechanics that can alleviate their discomfort. We correct alignment, increase range of motion of the spine and the joints, and a chiropractic adjustment will do that with applying high speed, low controlled force to correct the alignment and increase range of motion of the spine or joints. We use cranial manipulation, which is using hand pressure to gently realign the bones in the skull. If you suffer from musculoskeletal pain, to have your posture improved and corrected, or you want an optimal spinal health, consult your chiropractor. You only got one spine to live, no exchanges or returns.